E kinde ma piny mangima ingo ndalo 16 ma kedo gi ratich oganda, moko kuom jokedo ne ratich oganda kod jood bura e kaunti ma Siaya oseo piny owacho kuom paro mar tieko chutho kuonde rito nyithindo maonge mier kata orphanages, ka giwacho ni piny owacho onge kod nyalo moromo mar rito nyithindogi nimar kata okenge malong'o manyiso kaka gibiro tayo chenrogo onge. Kotelnegi kod Elizabeth Ngoru mar Hezron Empower Baba Nyumbani ne ginyiso luoro margi ni nyithindo mang'aw e kuonde rito nyithindogo eko nyalo yudore kama rach, ka koro gikwayo piny owacho mondo kuongo ket okenge mong'ith manyalo miyo gigeno ni chenrono biro dhi nyime e yo makare motelo ne kete tim.
Calvins, wherever you are, please come over.
Children who are orphaned. So after we close the children's home, where do they go? The government has not put in enough structure to accommodate those children. So what we have planned to do as an institution is to make sure that we support those children. Even if we are told to reunify them to their guardians, we still continue to support them. But our appeal is for the government, if they really want to close children's home, then they need to put proper infrastructure for those children to be accommodated, because at the end of the day, these are our children. We are not going to chase them away. This is the home that they know.
Biggest challenge that we're having right now is you have Kenyan care reform saying that they want to close places like this down. But where will you put the children? Because you keep sending them to me. So it's better that we work together so that we can continue to expand the work that we do and ensure that not one child is missed.
So I think helping the orphans and helping the widows should be a national disaster. We should think of that and even put a budget nationally and even in the county, a budget that will cater for orphans and widows.
Erokamano nyakwa Ramogi kuom kete Ramogi TV. En thuolo makoro wadhi e yweyo mokwongo.